Welcome back to Aesthetics Magazine. Find more skincare resources at aestheticsmagazine.com. In today's episode, we will be discussing body treatments. Body treatment theory. Before starting the treatment, the therapist must review and accomplish a thorough client assessment. A client assessment is an analysis of a client's current state of health. In body treatment, it is usually performed by visual inspection and palpation. To visually inspect a part of the body means to examine it and assess it. As an esthetician, there is a need to scrutinize, to not just look. This is because the human eye can only see the first few layers of the skin, and this would not be sufficient for a proper assessment. Sometimes, skin irregularities can occur deeper in the skin, and it might not be noticeable through normal vision. By examining and analyzing the skin through palpation, an even better understanding of the client's skin health can be achieved. Palpation also means to examine by touch. It's important to touch the area gently in order to feel the presence of any lumps, swelling, and/or pain. A body treatment includes the application of a product to the skin and the manipulation of the skin. The purpose of applying body treatment products is to improve skin. By creating friction with a product, an esthetician can improve local circulation and bring fresh oxygen and nutrients to the skin. Be careful when choosing products for a client. It must be suitable and appropriate for the client's skin type and condition, and most importantly, the therapist must respect the sensitivity and confidentiality of the client. Also, it's important to remember that even though the manipulation of the skin allows better penetration of a product, the therapist should not be overly aggressive. The skin is a vital organ, and excessive tension can cause irritation and inflammation. It's important to maintain good client care, e.g., regular check for client's comfort, to ensure that the pressure and type of manipulation is suitable for the client during all stages of treatment. A body treatment involves different stages and techniques of massage strokes. Each type of massage stroke is meant to achieve different benefits. Treatment massage generally involves the use of one or more of the following basic massage strokes: effleurage, or stroking massage; petrissage, which means kneading; friction; tapotement or percussion; vibration. These strokes can come in different variations and can be applied to different areas of the body. When performing treatment massage, the therapist will commonly use at least 3 of the above basic massage strokes, and the choice of a stroke can also depend on a variety of factors, including the desired result from the treatment, the condition of the client's skin, the area of the body being worked on, and the type of product being used. Principles of body treatments. We have little touch receptors throughout our body, in our skin, in our muscles, etc. There are different types of receptors which respond to different touch stimuli. For example, some will lead to a response of pain, others to a response of pressure. It is these receptors which allow the body and brain to communicate, and it is through touch that we can influence this communication. Touch can be positive or negative. For example, positive touch can reduce stress and lower the heart rate. Negative touch can cause feelings of aggression or inadequacy. This also introduces the idea of energy in the body. This is something you will hear about a lot throughout your career in body treatments, and that different cultures and medical systems have different interpretations when it comes to energy. The section also discusses the importance of client communication and consultation. It stresses that the client is an active partner in the process. Getting to know the client and finding out about their needs and expectations will help to create an effective and enjoyable treatment. Effects of body treatments. On the skin and body systems, many body treatments help to remove dead and aged skin cells, allowing for the more youthful and healthier cells underneath to be brought to the surface. Exfoliation is a common step in body treatments, and it helps to do just this. With the removal of dead surface skin, treatments are able to work much more effectively because the product is applied to the most lively and active skin, which is ready to absorb the benefits of the treatment. As a result of removing the barrier of dead skin cells, moisturizers are able to penetrate the skin more deeply, and most importantly, a treatment will be more effective because the benefits are going to reach the living cells. Furthermore, by speeding up the process of the removal of dead cells from the skin's surface, Exfoliation can help to improve the body's ability to respond to stress and heal itself. Exfoliation helps to keep the pores clean, prevents many minor skin irregularities, as well as helps to minimize the effects of sun damage, fine lines, and wrinkles. By keeping the skin healthy and the body functioning properly, the overall benefits are lengthy and result in a healthier kind of relaxation. For example, in body exfoliation treatments, the circulatory system is stimulated with the use of exfoliates during the treatment. Because the body's largest organ is the skin, with a total area of about 20 square feet, a good peeling of the skin off the body can serve as a way to rid the body of toxins that affect the health of the body through the skin. The lymphatic system is also stimulated by the movements and strokes used in exfoliation, and this will increase the removal of waste products from the body. As a part of the body's immune system, the lymph nodes in the body collect and filter out the harmful substances such as bacteria and viruses. When any type of cell waste, such as chemicals or unwanted proteins, reach excessive levels in tissues of the body, it will produce tissue swelling and prevent the natural movement of the blood in and out of the limbs. As a form of stress relief, it is definitely a great way for our busy, modern-day society to rethink the logic of our body's well-being by practicing and adapting to this relaxation technique. The ultimate purpose of body treatments is to aid body healing and to bring relief to the pressures of everyday life. Body treatments are essentially a variety of different elements that help to relax, detoxify, and refresh the body. For many body treatments, apply a mask or a product to the body, and then have the body wrapped up to keep the product warm and activated. Wrapping the body is a way to promote the absorption of a product, such as water from the skin or the therapeutic effects of a product. Not only will the skin feel better, but the effects of the treatments will be much more beneficial. Also, body wraps help to minimize any inch loss, contributing to slimming and firming of the body. Towards the end of the treatment, oils and creams may be applied to further restore hydration in the skin. Products are chosen based on the skin type and condition. Each treatment is different and has a different ingredient to help in different things. However, no matter what treatment you get, you will most certainly walk away with an unbelievable, wonderful sense of calmness, relaxation, and tranquility. It's time to level up your skincare product expertise. Are you confident explaining vitamins A, C, and E to your clients? Stop guessing! Get the Essential Guide by Greg Risha, Understanding Vitamins in Skincare. Get your copy today at aestheticsmagazine.com.